channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. Stay here, okay? So what you're going to need is glue. It doesn't matter what kind of glue you use as long as it's a school glue. It's not, as long as it's regular glue and it's not like, well, you can use clear glue or glitter glue, but I'm using white. This is optional. You're going to need glitter. That's optional. You don't have to, or fake coloring. They're both optional. Scissors. You might need these. A bowl or a plate to make it in. Slime in. An activator. Last is a spoon. And yeah. They're in my dishwasher. I'll use a butter. It's dirty. Ooh. Okay. So, first I'm going to get my bowl. And my mom doesn't even know how to make slime. So first a minute, Mommy, watch me make this so you know. Watch me make this so you know how to make it. So first you're going to get your glue. Ooh. This is how you make it. First you're going to get your glue and pour some in. I'm doing this. I'm doing, it's hard to see because that much slime. So once you have your glue in your bowl, you're going to get a glitter or food coloring, whatever you want. I'm going to do this glitter. I'm doing this kind of glue. I'm going to cut it. And you're going to get your glitter and pour it in onto your glue. Make sure it's all of it.
This is good.
Sorry. So you're going to get all your glitter. I have a lot of glitter. It's going to be like blue slime because I'm using blue glitter. If you guys don't know. Look how pretty. It's like confetti. Once you mix all your glitter or whatever you're using, you're going to get your activator. And I'm using borax. You can use Tide if you want. Or laundry detergent, any kind works. Well, not any kind, but I think it starts with a T. You have it in your basement, fabric softener. It's hot.
Tide.
No, not Tide. It's Tide. I forget, but it starts with a T and it's like a green. I don't know what it's called. Tide is one of them that you can use. But I like to use borax just because I think it works best. Because I never used Tide before. I always use borax to make it. Well, I think I used like once or twice maybe because I bought it one time. Because I didn't have any activator and I didn't have borax at the store that I went to, which was Walmart. Walmart, and so I gotta get Tide. So here it is. Ew, it's still kind of sticky. That means I have to knead it in. If it gets sticky, you knead it in. Ew. 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 Okay, so I was talking about the slime.
That's done anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry about the noise. That's this. What? This is a slime. It's still
Break
kind.
that bowl out before you put it in there, okay?
Yeah.
It's still kind of sticky, and there's extra like glue in here. So I'm gonna get that out real quick. And then in there, I'll have to put it in there. I'm gonna give everything I have. This is so glittery. So I have a great idea. If you put like flurp or whatever, if you put like slime on your vent, it will literally like blow up all over the place.
I'll put it in there.
It's like break apartable, but yours might not be because I think I added too much borax. Probably why, but it's still slime. I mean, it's pretty stretchy, and it's like